Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tools and gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best spline socket set available, the Orion MotorTech XZN triple square spline bit socket set. Let's get right into it. Now, what sets this set apart from the rest? Well, let's start with the basics. It comes with 8 pieces, covering a range of metric sizes from M5 to M18. These sockets are crafted from durable crossing Mohs steel, ensuring they can withstand the toughest jobs without wearing down. One of the standout features of this set is its precision machined bits, providing a secure grip and extended fastener life. This means you can tackle your projects with confidence, knowing your tools will hold up to the task. Whether you're working in tight spaces or dealing with stubborn fasteners, these sockets have got you covered. Their extended lengths and triple square design ensure uniform torque distribution for smooth operation every time.
And let's talk about organization.
Nothing's worse than digging through a messy toolbox to find the right socket.
With this set, that's a thing of the past.
Each socket is laser etched with size markings for easy identification, and they come neatly organized in a custom blow-molded case. That wraps up our review of the Orion MotorTech XZN triple square spline bit socket set. If you're ready to take your tool collection to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.